In today's episode of How Much, we bring you this Mercedes, a car which achieved an amazing result within the auction.
Absolutely. Now, why did it do that? We're a little bit biased because we took this car.
We did.
For a quite extensive road test.
Yep.
About 4 weeks ago.
4 weeks ago.
I would say the car's been here. Now, it's a fantastic example. So it's in super condition.
Yep.
Very, very important. The mileage, 54,000. Brilliant. Fantastic. Yep. It had come from a private collection, which gives people a little bit of a story, backstory.
And all the cars within the collection were lovely, within the auction as well.
Done very, very well. Just a great colour, combination with the leather.
Yep.
Proper fantastic. It's a 320.
Shall we find out?
Shall we find out what it made?
Another lovely car for you here, gentlemen, the Mercedes-Benz, the E320 Coupe. Registered 1996, it's MoT'd, July 23. Again, it's got the dreaded BAT number plate. We had one in earlier, we had the estate car in earlier, didn't we? It's part of a collection, of 5. This is the second one, I believe, that we're doing. Have a look at it. I think a lot of you have seen this on the internet. I think Bryn and Guy went for a little ride out and posted it on the net. It's a lovely car, no soppy bids, does drive very well. It's got a bit of service history, specialist main dealer receipts as well from 2009, spare key with it, various handbooks. Lovely car. I'm straight in, £8,300 on the internet, £8,300. That's the bid I start with, 8.4 in the room, 8.4, 8.5, 8.5. You bidding, sir? 8.6, 8.7, 8,007, 8,007. You want one more? 88 I'm bid, £8,800 at 8,889 the bid, 8.9. No, shaking his head. 8.9, £9,000 fresh money. That's in the room. At £9,000 on the telephone. At £9,000. At £9,000 I'm bid. At £9,000. You're out on the net. Make no mistake. 9.2 on the net. 9.2 I'm bid at 9.2, 9.3, 9.3 on the internet, 9.3, 9.3, 9.3 I'm bid at 9.3 the bid. 9.5, thank you sir, at 9,500 I sell it. 9.6 straight back at 9,006. At 9.6 do you want 7? 9.7, 9.7 the bid at 9,700. That 9.8. 9.8 the bid at £9,800. 9.8 only bid £10,000. Thank you very much. Should have started there 10.1. It's worth a try. At 10.1 straight back on the internet at 10.1 at 10.1 10.2. 10.2 only bid at 10.2. 10.2 10.3. 10.3 I'm bid at 10.3 yes. 10.3 the bid's on the net 10.3. 10.3 I'm bid at 10.3. At 10.3 the bid. 10.5 he's trying again, £10,500 at 10.6 straight back at you at 10.6 at 10,600. Lovely car at £10,600 at 10.6. 10.7 10.7 on the telephone again at 10.7 £10,800. Do you want £11,000 at 10,008? Do you want 11 yes or no? At £11,000 at £11,000 back on the phone at 11.1 straight back, 11.1, 11.1 the bid at 11.1, 11,100, 11.5. He's trying very hard on the telephone. £11,500 at 11.5, 11.6. Straight back again on the internet. £11,600. Do you want 12? £12,000. I'll take twos if you come in at 12. At 12.2, it's back on the net. 12.2, at 12.2, only bid it. That's on the internet at 12.2. At 12.2, do you want 4? Can't lose it now. At 12.2, do you want 4? 12.4. At 12.4, I'll take 6. At 12.4. At 12.5, all right. At 12.5, we're back in hundreds. I'm trying to save my voice. At 12.5. At 12.5, I'll take 100 off you. 12.7. I've got 200 there, so 12.7. At 12.7. 12.8. 12,008. You want 13? At 12,008. £13,000. At £13,000 I'm bid 13.2. Thank you, Internet. At 13.2 we caught up at last. At 13.2. 13.5 I'm bid in the room. At 13.5. At 13.5 I'm bid. At 13.5. At 13.5 you want 13.7 bid. 13.7 only bid at 13.7. You want £14,000. At £14,000. Now we're going. At £14,000 it's on the right. At £14,000 I sell it. At £14,000, 14.2. At 14.2 I'm bid. At 14.2 I'm bid. Do you want one more? At 14.2, I'll take 14.5. Yes? 14.5. At £14,500. Back on the right. At 14,500. Do you want 14.7 on the net? At £14,500. On the telephone, I sell it. Make no mistake, this time it's going once. 14.5, I'll give you time on the net. You've done twice. Third, 14.7. 14.7, it was only just in time. Do you want £15,000? 14.8. He's getting his own back now. At 14.8, we're going in hundreds now, Freddie. At 14,800. At 14.8. At 14.8, back in the room. 14.8. 14.8. 14.9 on the net. 14.9. Have you had enough? At 14.9. £15,000. At £15,000. Back on the right. 15.1. 15.1 I'm bid at 15.1. 15.1 the bid. At 15.1. Yes or no? 15.5, he's trying again very hard at £15,500. At 15.5, at 15.5 I'm bid. At £15,500. Gentlemen, it's on the 15.6. 15.6. 15.6, it's back here. At 15,600. At 15.6. 15.7. 15.7 I'm bid at 15.7 back on the right. At 15.7 we'll keep going all day. At 15.7 on the telephone I sell it for the first. At 15.7 you're out on the net. Be quick please. At 15.7 it's on the telephone going for the second. Yes or no, you're going to miss it. That's yours on the telephone. Thank you for your bidding.